Good morning, everyone. So, as I'm maybe watching, I'm going to miss a little bit phonetics workshop attending. So, the video watching, Khamdang and technology, mathematics, and literature. Let's go with me and show you what are the things that I have learned and how my weekends was fruitful. Follow for more. Started my journey. So I've started my journey, and just now I'm driving alone from my school. So on the way I have to pick up three friends, two from my building high school and one from Darfel. They are at Yakje. So yeah, let's see what's going on for today and what to follow for more. To whatever chapter this is me. I like the song. Anyway, me. Namdani be at the condition. Anyway, let's take a thought bit now. The all process are run now. Anyway, to me. This is the relation. Yo, now after half an hour, it's 6:29 or 6 start pace. So half an hour I reached to Nangkotong PSK junction. So that's the building. Yeah, now hichime Khamdang Pulurong nalu tari workshop di. Ane be khatam bumdilingi na jojo workshop di nalu karagi likes ta share tele video na kadin che. So tari yang itu do te karagi like comment vetu Khamdang school nai page na jojo ta vecha. Wa ane dego de ngachi da. Tama tu ba de.
Ratio.
Ane bina logo di description di. Shape to shape geloko plus minus elisa tinu ya nanga palko sana daime wa to ana zoi tani sa disu ana zoi mi palko ska cooking ha ani du mero tashana technology in mathematics tari time deben ali 78 na hitino kita sama pa purpose subject lem go chung Khamdang view chung I think jingi churchlu ane to mari school ana SMU on vita on
presentation just to show and we have
Macam mana? Sama boleh ni.
Saya laptop ke pintu.
Laptop film.
Jauh dari pintu. Jauh ni.
After tea break, anyway, when program nak cimari. Pagi dah ni betul. Kali cuci wa. Just tu no. Memang ane betul kau lah. Ane betul mari activity pun tersiapa. Ane memang interesting. Antum di technology, ane ni kasun tu. Ayah sarah itu cuci wa. Next activity ane time lagi bacin kogi bacin ane tan kogi dah busy me na so you can disco light rotation ye animation dene bemla alto silte ni so it's going like do rotation. The virgins look and wanted wanting to supplement bounce. Hello guys, everyone. We are going for eye shopping at night, but the shops are all closed. I want to eat something, but nothing is there. Ana karlam gibeda ni thoime. Wow, I can see now one car going up at Chankhala. It's gone la. Yeah, Khamdang school. This is Khamdang school. Dabin dari secondary. Kitchen. Room na environment. Tamaga chero follow the like chibi me. Subscribe. And the canopy. Excellent of Geogebra. And number. Bedongle. 하늘 칼 덮치면 다시 스타를 덮치하시네. ren 보이면 다시 어디 가든 막 그래 막 해.
8 plus 4 is equal to 10 plus 2. 아니 꼭 비잡에 막 잭큐티 하는 10 페널 그 비교가 아니야. 아주 높게 올라가지. Centimeter D is angle 30 angle D level altitude. They'll end up bringing how many angles? 100. Wow.
Ano tanggo? Ano tanggo? Ano?
Mga plus din na yung dome. Yep.
Tato din yung
Ay, just
ano din yung
ay, machine.
envelope.
Walk space di gati mo din mo na. Gati mo na walk space. Zoom